Hey guys, it's Sharon here. It's been days since we provided you the last update. So today I'm filming this and you're not getting 4K from me because I have a much older phone. As you can see, not much has happened to the front porch. We were waiting for a piece of tool to arrive so we can carry on with assembling the frame. It finally arrived today, so we'll get back to it. But as you can see, we added this wood frame to contain our little dog Peanut so he can't make an escape when we have the doors open. Anyway, it's been nice having this solid surface before we enter the house, and in the last few days we've been working on these things, that and many others. So in preparation for our stucco, we were doing all these wall penetrations. For example, right here on the front side, these will be one of the few penetrations we have. We have a receptacle out here right by the door. That's from Arlington. It's something that's specifically made for stucco. It's going to be embedded in the brown coat and the finish coat coming up to this, so it wouldn't be very obvious against our white stucco. And we have this quick flashing product installed here for our doorbell. This one will be for low volt wire to poke out, and so we still have to finish the liquid flashing around it, and should be pretty waterproof. Not a whole lot here on the front door because we didn't want to have too many things sticking out. We're still going to add another outdoor electrical boxes up there because we want to have a light fixture on the front side. But otherwise, the front wall looks pretty clean of wall penetrations. So on this side, which is our yard side, this is our primary windows and hangout space. We have quite a few outlets out here, just in case we're hanging out here and want to charge up our devices. We have some outlets up there for Christmas lightings and string lights and whatnot. And that's about that for this side. On the north side, since this is like the very back of the wall that we won't often see, we sort of left all the ugly ones. Like we have up there an 8-inch ventilation vent termination, and up there we have our HRV concentric vent coming out, and down below there we have an 8-inch vent duct outlet for the makeup air. So this is where all the big venting are coming out. And on this side we have quite a few more things. Our AC outdoor unit, the mini split, is going to be installed right here. So we got these boxes over here for the 4 line sets for the 4 zones that we have. So they're pretty cool because again, we're gonna have the stucco kind of finish around this. We still have to flash that with the liquid flash, and then we'll be drilling holes coming down here for the line sets. Same thing for this one down below. The line set will be coming out from below. So hopefully that'll be a clean solution because we've been struggling with that for the line sets. And then on the right side you have the conduit for the disconnect. And over here, this one is our dryer vent termination. So this one's pretty cool. I found it online. It's a pretty simple, pretty nice looking metal box for the dryer vent. It's let me get around this. It has a little flap that has a magnetic latch behind it. And again, the stucco will finish right to it, so it'll be flush with the stucco. It'll be pretty clean. So that's it about all the penetration that we have to do. We're almost done with that. Like I mentioned, we still have some flashing that we have to finish up, but we're getting there. So as far as our porch assembly goes, let me show you what was holding us up. So as you can see, we have our Alaskan yellow cedar. So this one is really pretty. We've never used it before, but we were researching online to try to find the most durable wood one can find for outdoor installations. And this kind of came out on top, so we just kind of splurged and figured, you know what? We're just gonna go for it so we don't have to worry about changing it or fixing it too much in the future. So in the last episode, Justin mentioned that we have these concealed connection hardware. So for example, this one is a post to beam connector. So the idea is we would drill a hole 1¼ inch diameter into the post, and then similarly on the beam over here, and then you just kind of install this, embed that into the post and the beam, and also you would have to pre-drill the pinholes for inserting the pins to keep them together. So for this thing that we're doing for the first time, we got this long auger bit. It's pretty good stuff, but it has a 1/2 inch shank, and our good old drill guide doesn't take it. So instead, we ordered this portable drill guide from Rockler that has a 1/2 inch chuck. So we're gonna get on assembling that today, and hopefully we'll be able to move on. And that's about it for now. And let us know if there's any specific content or something else you want to see us share more of. We would love to hear from you. Have a good day. See you next time.